Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Amazon gift card balance for purchase. Alright, let's get started. So here, let's go to our account, tap on your name and then click on account. And here you can see the option for gift card. Click over here and here you have the option to redeem a gift card. So once you click here, you have to enter your claim code and then click on apply to your balance. Next, you have the option for the payment option as well. Click on your payments and here you can add your payment method, or you can add rewards and balance directly from here as well. So if you have some balance, some gift card balance that you have added, next what you can do is add the products in your cart. So here we have some products that is shown in here. So what you have to do is just add this product to our cart. Alright, so you have to select your quantity over here, and here you can see this product cannot be shipped to my country, so we cannot add this to our cart as well. So in your case, if you have a product that can be shipped, or if there are some products that you can add to your cart, you can add to your cart, and when you proceed to checkout, you have an option to use your gift card balance, or you can add code over there as well. So here, after you have proceeded to checkout, you can apply your gift card balance to make the purchase. So that's it. That is how you will be able to use Amazon gift card balance for purchase on Amazon. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.